So with the big opening for the school coming up in a few days' time, Donald and a few of my helpers have pitched in to get us a big screen TV. It's the only one they've got in the whole school, but a nice, decent size 55-inch for the school. Here we go, check this out. They're gonna check it out. They're interesting here when you buy an electronic gadget, they always plug it in and make sure it works before you leave the store. They don't quite have the Consumer Guarantees Act or the same return if you're not happy with it. They want to make sure you're happy with it before you take it. But we got a fantastic deal from these guys and we're so grateful. That's one of the ones there. And look, it's just so good how things are falling together. We've got the screen now, we've got a bracket. And Katut, my little brother here.
Hi, hello, hi.
Hey, I'm not going to fit this on a motorbike, but Katut's come out of his car so we can take this with us and we're going straight to school. I'm really excited because I haven't seen the classroom yet. I know it's almost finished. This is going to help to finish off as well. But, oh my God, I'm so excited to see when I left Bali to go home for Christmas. There was just a building slab where there was some foundations and it looked pretty rough. Now we're going back and there's a whole new classroom painted and ceiling and everything, so I'm excited, I'm really excited. So Xiaomi is a phone supplier, an electronics manufacturer, also probably takes on the likes of Samsung and people like that. They've got a few other gadgets and bits and pieces, air fryers, access points, even a little air compressor. I don't know what that is, but they're excellent prices too. I'm just so grateful for what they've done. They give us a bit of a discount as well, and they've helped us along. So a bit of a plug for them. Good on you, Xiaomi, for helping us out at school. And I think they're subscribed because every time we talk to someone, Fee's up there. Please make sure you subscribe, so they'll get to see this on TV as well. Maybe they'll even play us in their store. I'm not going to show you what I'm looking at right now because that's got to wait till the official opening in about a week's time, but I'm here. I had to pop in and see it as soon as I got back to Bali, and I had to deliver a very special present from Donald and Haley and a whole heap of other people who've been making little contributions towards the school. Today we chipped in, and I also like to thank Xiaomi, who's the manufacturer of what we picked up, for giving us a bit of a discount as well towards the school. Check this out.
Tell me all about how much it means to you.
It's nearly life size. Yeah.
My life, I mean,
and for this little classroom, it's a 6 metre by 4 metre classroom, and it's perfect for, this is becoming like a multi-purpose class. They've got 3 other small classrooms with between 5 and 10 or so kids, probably between 5 and 20 kids in any given one of them. And then they've got the big one, which is now the new one, so they can do all sorts of different things, including art class and audio visual, so they can put stuff on the computer and put it up on the TV, all that sort of stuff. So it's really, really, so proud, I'm so happy, I'm so stunned at how much work they've done in a few weeks over Christmas while we were at home with the family and kicking our heels up, and it was bucketing down here in Bali, and they had horrible weather. God knows how they got it done, but they did. And the next vlog you'll see is going to be the grand opening of the school. It's amazing to see what a few people pitching in a little bit at a time, a few dollars here, a few dollars there. Everything is all coming together, and the kids are the ones that are winning. Thank you so much. Thank you on behalf of those kids and their parents. Thank you on behalf of the teachers, and from me, from the bottom of my heart, we've done it. We bloody well done it. So that's a great feeling.